Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Tian, and in this video I'm going to talk about the arrow function. So arrow function is something that you have already seen me writing in the code. So let's write a comment, arrow function. Let's take an array first, array 1, and let's have some values like this. So we have some values over here, and I want to include the map method. So in order to do that, I can just write another array and name that array 2, and I'm gonna apply array 1 then map, and here I'm gonna use the arrow function. So in order to use the arrow function, at first I'm stating the individual item that I will be calling over here. So individual item can be just number or maybe num, and here I am going to use this arrow. So this looks like an arrow, so here I'm just going to use the curly braces, and in the curly braces I'm going to return the individual numbers, and those individual numbers will be like multiplied by 2. So let's just return the number and multiply by 2. If I just save this one and console log this array 2, let's just console log this array 2. I should be able to see this, every number is multiplied by 2, and this is stored in array 2, this variable. So if the function that I have used over here is arrow function, and this is one of the most advanced features of modern JavaScript. And if you want, you can actually use if you are using 2 parameter instead of 1, like if I have something else over here, then I would have used this bracket, but as I only have 1 parameter, I don't need this bracket, so I can just keep it simple like this, and I don't even need these curly braces at all. So I can just remove this one and this one, and I can just keep it over here. So I do need 1 bracket over here. So if I just keep it that way, then I don't even need this return word anymore. So I can just leave it like this, num, then this arrow function, then num times 2. So it will be saved. So I'm getting an error, so I don't need this. So you can just keep your arrow function in 1 line if you just have only one thing to return. If the arrow function is not too complex enough, you can just finish it in 1 line, and you can see this, how easy it is and how easy it seems, and this is quite manageable, and you can just write this within seconds. So this is arrow function, and arrow function will be used a lot when dealing with JS files. So you better understand the basics of arrow function. If I had like more than 1 lines, I had a complex thing going on within the arrow function, I would have kept this in another line like this, return num, and maybe here the curly braces as well. But I don't need this now, as I only have one thing to return, so I can just keep it that way. So I guess that is easy to understand. So yeah, I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Till then, take care.